Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 GMC Sierra 1500. Stock number is 18G939A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks, chrome bumper and grille. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Inside, cloth interior. Center console folds up and becomes an additional seat in the front row, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side. You do have the Z71 off-road package on here. Factory trailer hitch and a rear backup camera on the back. Taking a look at the bed now. You do have the soft cover on top. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, four-wheel drive controls, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate controls, and dual heated seats. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see the Sierra on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.